1. Vertical grow tower for vegetables. Grow crispy lettuce or mixed greens in a single PVC pipe vertical grow tower like this and save a lot of space. 2. PVC pipe mosaic planters. Find out how some ordinary PVC pipes turned into beautiful mosaic planters. 3. Vertical tube planter. Grow strawberries in a vertical tube planter like this to save space and efforts. 4. PVC hanging planter. Plant your favorite succulents or other trailing plants in a modern hanging planter, which you can create out of PVC pipes. 5. PVC pipe strawberry planter. After a vertical PVC pipe strawberry planter, try the horizontal planter for growing strawberries. 6. PVC garden hydroponics. Try growing plants in the hydroponic culture at home with this PVC hydroponic garden idea. This is a bit time-consuming project, and you may need someone by your side to complete it. 7. Pipe garden planter. Upcycle colorful PVC pipes into planters. It is easy to understand and a neat idea to recycle unused pipes. 8. Pillar planter. Grow ornamental grasses or ferns in these contemporary pillar planters that are made using the PVC pipes. 9. Indoor PVC planters. Get PVC pipe end caps to make these mini planters for your succulents indoors. 10. PVC pipe strawberry planter. Another vertical PVC pipe strawberry planter tower idea for you to consider to have a homegrown supply of juicy strawberries. 11. PVC pots. These pots are easy to make, cheap, durable, and good looking. You will need PVC couplings and caps to complete this project. 12. Plumbing elbow planters. Plumbing elbows attached to walls can be a brilliant way to hold items, accessories, cut flowers, and plants as well. 13. Vertical PVC pipe garden. This vertical PVC pipe garden project is a cure for your lack of space problem. You can grow cherry tomatoes, peppers, strawberries, greens, and herbs in it. 14. PVC vertical planter. This is the best DIY PVC planter project in this list. A 4-inch planter pipe is inserted in a planter, filled with soil and plants. 15. Cute PVC planter. What's better than a PVC planter? A patterned PVC planter that you can create easily in a day. 16. Unimaginable PVC pipe garden. Create an out-of-the-blue PVC pipe garden for yourself to beautify your wall space.